How to create script using ChatGPT. Want to write scripts faster? Let's use ChatGPT to create a script step by step. So first define your purpose. Decide what kind of script you need: tutorial, explainer, story, or marketing pitch. Now, craft a clear prompt. Give ChatGPT context. Specify audience, tone, length, and format. So for example, I want to use this specific prompt. I'll simply enter it here and then click on this send button to send your prompt, and then go ahead and let ChatGPT create a structured script with intro, steps, and outro. Refine the script, add visuals, overlay text, editing tips, or adapt it for short form platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Repurpose your script, turn long tutorials into short clips, or adapt business explainers into training guides. And that is how to create a script using ChatGPT.